inside a slime factory.
Oh, when will my slime candy order be ready? Speed it up, or I'll dock your pay.
I'll do it right now, boss. Oh no, it's overloaded.
You've ruined my factory.
Wait, boss, let me fix it.
How to fix the slime factory. Build the slime dispenser. Build the mixing turntable. Testing. Build the forming press. Build the topping dispenser.
Slime candy factory is fixed, boss.
Get back to work, you fool.
Let's prepare ingredients.
Sugar. Jelly powder water.
This mixture seems good. Let's pour the jelly mixture into the molds.
Done.
Now add some money and some diamonds. Ice cubes inside the mold will solidify slime into candy. This candy is already shaped. It has some extra toppings. The first slime candy is done. I'll also finish the rest candies. Twinkle slime candy is done, boss.
I need more, you idiot.
You cruel boss. I'll add weapons and insects this time.
Dynamite. Weapon. Spider.
Poison slime candy has done.
Your rich slime candy has arrived.
Wow! Can't wait to eat it.
I will see your factory.
You've all been arrested.
The Pacific Ring of Fire. The lava is boiling and bubbling.
Ah!
I'm getting a reading here.
Let's dig a little deeper. Aha!
What?
How to make the volcano. Step 1. Create the lava.
Combine the glue with water in a bowl. Move the bowl to the mixer. Stirring until the slime begins to form. The lava has become smooth and no longer sticky. Add food coloring to the mixture to make the lava colorful. Wow! I have finished creating the lava.
Yay!
Step 2. Set up the volcano.
I have a box of orange slime. It's so sticky. Take caution when handling dry ice. I will add some dry ice to the slime. Spread it over the whole surface of the dry ice. Slime is blowing bubbles. Now, I put some dry ice in the tube. The tube is filled with slime. Finally, put the tube inside the mountain. The lava is melting. Look how cool it is. The pyroclastic flows have covered the entire surface.
Raise your hands. Stop right there.
You fool!
You can't escape. Stop. Stop.
Get out of here.
Alex helps me. Oh no, help me, help.
Hang on, I'm here to save you. Hold on to the rope, hurry up. Run away.
How can we get out of here?
This game machine is so fun! What is it?
It's a new challenge we've just added. You'll get a big reward when you win.
Alright, I'll try it.
How to build the pusher machine. Build the pusher unit. Pusher tray. Payout slot. These pegs will cause the items to drop in various paths. Build the entry wall. Connect components. Coin. Or bees.
Yeah!
Wow!
Your reward is this bicycle.
I hit the jackpot.
What's this cool machine?
Come here and try it, Mrs.
Wow! My challenge seems tough.
Lego brick.
Wow.
You've won this motorbike.
I want to play too. My challenge is M&M's candies. The prize this time must be a car.
M&M's candies.
Yeah!
Yeah, I'm about to ride a supercar.
Huh?
Here's your special reward.
What a jerk.
Today, Domini Pizza shows you how to make pizza easily at home. First, we need the dough nice and smooth to make the perfect crust. Next, add the tomato sauce on top. More sauce makes it tastier. Now we sprinkle lots of cheese on top. Then place the sausage slices and spread them all around. Finally, put the pizza in the oven and wait for it to bake. And here we have it, the most delicious pizza to enjoy.
Seriously? This can never be called the delicious pizza at all. I have an idea. We should build a professional pizza making line.
Yeah, great idea.
How to build the pizza production line. Machine number 1, pizza spin and slide. The pizza crust will be placed on the rotating platform, and it will be moved along the sliding rail. Machine number 2, sauce spreader. This sauce spreader machine will spread tomato sauce onto the pizza crust. Machine number 3, cheese sprinkler. First, I'll make a conveyor from these pulley wheels. The motor. Tread links. Then, make a frame that holds the cheese. Now I place it onto the gantry frame along with the sauce spreader. Shredded cheese. I'll use the same machine for dropping the vegetables. Machine number 4. Veggie conveyor. Cucumber and carrot. Machine number 5. Pepperoni dropper. Pepperoni out. The machine will need a sliding arm to push each pepperoni slice down. Add the motor. Connect to the battery box. Pepperoni in. Formex slices. Now, place it onto the gantry frame along with the veggie conveyor. Pepperoni slices.
Inside the pizza workshop. Great, all the machines are ready. First, I place a pizza crust on the pizza saucer. It will carry the crust to the next machines. Now the sauce blaster will kick in and spread tomato sauce all over the crust. Excellent, thanks to this machine the sauce is spread automatically and evenly on the crust, just as designed. Now our cheese sprinkler starts working. It will cover this pizza crust with the smoothest, most perfect layer of cheese. The cheese is done. Now the pizza crust moves on to the sausage dropper. Our dropper machine places every single sausage slice perfectly, from the outer ring to the very center. Finally, the pizza crust will be covered with fresh sliced vegetables by the veggie sprinkler as the last topping. Nice. Now let's put this raw pizza into the oven.
I will set it to bake for 12 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius.
Wow!
Look, the pizza is ready, Doctor.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Let's enjoy our delicious pizza.
So yummy.
Two wanted criminals are currently on the run. Police are actively pursuing them.
Welcome to Feastable's factory.
Come on, get in here.
Bro, this factory is loaded with candy. These candy cranes are so huge.
Such a gold mine.
A gum conveyor.
Stop thieves!
Don't touch my candies. Serves you right.
You'll pay for this.
Get lost.
Help me, Alex. I need help. Oh no, this mixer is too strong.
How to make the chocolate river. Step 1. Build the intake dam. Sluice gate. Step 2. Build the outlet dam. Spillway gate. Step 3. Set up chocolate river.
We need a dam to regulate the chocolate flow. Next, I'll reuse this mixer machine. We need something to make chocolate flow. Water pump. Chocolate out, milk out.
The river is now full of chocolate.
Now, your turn.
You'll never get me.
You get out of my factory.
Oh no. Help me. Help me. I can't swim. It's so scary.
Trapped!
Where are we?
This chocolate is sweet.
Don't you want to get out of here?
I'll Officer, they're here.
You just caught two wanted criminals.
We're